Based on previous experiences, expectations prevent us from opening up to what may be truly wonderful. Expectations, by their very nature, bind us to the familiar and to the past. Expectations prevent us from imagining something new and quite possibly more rewarding. They color everything we set out to achieve. Upon hearing of the lotuses and ponds in the Western Pure Land, we diminish these by likening them to what we now see every day. Being told of the unlearning environment, we remember what school was like and conclude learning in the Pure Land will be more of the same. Reading that we can visit other Buddhas without leaving the Pure Land, we envisage it to holding a meeting via the internet. All these ideas and expectations hold us back. Letting go of expectations, we free ourselves of remembered images and begin feeling, begin sensing the wonder of things beyond our imagination. And we throw open the door to the new and truly wonderous. Amitabha.